First and foremost, digital transformation, I believe, never ends, because you start it and you start looking at changing your culture, changing the organizational capability, how you're organized, how you think, and also start to introduce those building blocks that will enable you to start transforming and to start iterating and to start really understanding how your customers are interacting with you. So digital transformation is constant and continuous.
We can start to show progress on an incremental basis from a very short time frame to try and keep up that spirit of continual improvement and continual delivery. The technologies are there now in the marketplace. The tech is there in the marketplace. It's about willingness to actually now get on board of all of these capabilities and start delivering some solutions.
I find it interesting to ask people what exactly are they doing and what will be different at the end of it, so what sort of journey you're going on. And operationally, how does it affect the business? So is this something that's done, you finish and you've finished digitally transforming, or is it something which is a continuous improvement of your entire business? So I think it affects more than technology, it affects the whole company.
So continuous improvement really resonates at Impellam. I think whilst you've got some businesses, so maybe startups or businesses who are fundamentally changing their business model through some crisis, that kind of one-shot digital transformation may be appropriate. But for us, we've got a business model that works. It's about people, and the continuous improvement, the innovation in lots of bite-sized chunks really works for us. But also, it's often a combination of smaller innovations coming together that starts to show perhaps the art of the possible, and that then engages you in a conversation with the business as to how you move forward.
I think also the other bit that I think through is the cultural change. So if you have that customer at the heart of what you're doing, taking employees through a journey of how we're going to help customers, whether that be using automation, it can just help them understand the direction we're going to satisfy customers, as opposed to like we're just doing digitalisation or whatever the term is and no one really understand it. So I think it can help break down some of those barriers and some of that fear to be able to be a catalyst of change.
The thought of a big, scary program that only delivers in 3 years' time, I think that hopefully those days are gone, because high risk, high cost, high complexity. So a continual improvement approach should enable you to break that down into lots of micro deliverables, each with its own success factor. And that's when the human brain really starts to see progress and benefits. More and more people come on board, and then you slowly start to pick up pace.